Welcome to WordSprout English Lessons. Do you ever freeze when someone asks you a basic question in English? Today, we'll go over how to answer everyday questions in ways that sound smooth and natural. Let's get started.
How long will it take?
It might take about 2 hours.
Do you know what's causing the delay?
Sorry, there's a long line today.
Are you tired?
Not really. I got enough rest.
What would you like to drink?
Just water for me, thanks.
Do you think it's my fault?
No, it's not your fault.
How is your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks.
Does this have shrimp?
Yes, it has shrimp in it.
Can you check the mail?
Sure, I'll check it right now.
Where's the flashlight?
Check the cabinet in the hallway.
Where's the hiking trail?
It starts just past the parking lot.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you recycle glass?
Yes, we do, but only for bottles and jars.
How often do you water the plants?
I water them every day.
Is the oil used for frying fish?
No, it's for vegetables.
Is the dishwasher not working?
Yes, it's not turning on.
Where is the nearest pet hospital?
There's one downtown.
When is trash pickup day?
It's every Monday and Thursday.
Can we carpool to work?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
Where's the circuit breaker?
It's in the garage.
Why are you here?
I'm meeting Sarah.
Can dogs swim here?
Yes, this is a dog-friendly beach.
Can I change the sauce?
Yes, you can choose a different one.
How do I reset the router?
Press the reset button on the back.
Where can I get an oil change?
There's a good auto shop near the mall.
Did you take your medicine today?
Yes, I took it this morning.
When are you free?
I'm free after 5 p.m.
Can I bring my cat?
Sorry, no pets are allowed.
Can I help at the local shelter?
Absolutely. Many shelters appreciate extra hands.
Can I rent a kayak?
Yes, rentals are available by the lake.
Why don't you text him?
I already did, but he hasn't replied yet.
Who is at the door?
It's my neighbor, Tom.
Where's the key lockbox?
It's by the front door.
Can I join the cleanup?
Of course, we'd love to have you.
Can I pick up later?
Sure, we'll hold it for you.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it goes downtown.
Are you okay with spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Is there a microwave in the room?
Yes, there's a microwave in the room.
Can I get extra pillows?
Sure, how many would you like?
Can I get some ice?
Of course, there's an ice machine on the second floor.
Do you have laundry facilities?
No, but there's a laundromat nearby.
Where's the swimming pool?
It's on the first floor near the gym.
Where's the shopping list?
It's on the fridge.
Where's the vacuum cleaner?
It's under the stairs.
Is it time to clean the dishwasher?
Yes, it's been a while. Let's clean it.
Do we need to clean the ceiling fans?
Yes, they look pretty dusty.
When is our next cleaning day?
It's this Saturday.
Who's responsible for pet care?
It's my turn this week.
Where can I find milk?
Check aisle 5 near the cheese.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only take cash.
Is there someone who can help me?
Yes, an associate will be with you shortly.
Where's the nearest ATM?
It's near the entrance.